Hi, today I'm for anything Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first, let's open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. After that, tap the screenshots and screen recording and you'll see here the video quality section. Now we can switch our quality from the high to the medium or low just by select one from these available qualities. Also, we got one more way how we can just change the settings. First, we should open the screen recorder settings, the notification panel shortcuts. Here we should find the screen record section and just press and hold for a while this icon, and just by this way we can also open the screen recorder settings and to change them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.